to change this name in uppercase for lowercase, okay? As you can see now, I have everything in uppercase, okay? And finally, guys, the third one, the new feature from 2023. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Tableau video. And today I would like to share with you guys how to change string case on Tableau. There are three formulas. One of them is a new feature from 2023. So I will share with you right now. Let's do it together. Here, guys, you are seeing my screen. I'm gonna go with Superstore data sample from Tableau. Okay. So from here, let's go to a new worksheet. And before continue, let's move into Excel. Let's move to Excel, then open a new worksheet just to create some information that I would like to upload in my Tableau. Okay, I will say this column, the name will be the name of the column. Then I'm gonna put it here, my name, so Rodrigo. Then a second version of my name with lowercase, and finally, oh, just lowercase, please. Excel, do not change anything. Okay, then everything in uppercase. Perfect. Oh my God, sorry guys. Excel, it's smart. Okay, now we have three variations of my name here. And I would like to change the variation to just create a standardize this column. Okay, so I will just copy this column, then go to my Tableau sheet, then paste over here. Once I do it, you will see Tableau will create a new clipboard. In this clipboard, I have the variations of my name. No, something went wrong, but however, anyway we have my name here, everything in uppercase, no problem. We can work with that, no problem at all. How do we change this? Here I have the name of the field, so the field is called name, and then I will just start to create the measure. So first of all, let's create the first calculated field to change this name in uppercase for lowercase. Okay, in this case we are going to work with, okay, name, let's call this measure as name calculated. All right, then over here you just have to create the formula called lower. All right, once you put it lower, you will see these brackets over here. Just put it between brackets the field name. All right, then open here and close over here. Inside of lower, you have to use a string field, otherwise it won't work. Okay, then click on OK. I will go just with apply, guys, because it will be easier for us to see. If I apply, now I have this field called name calculated. Let's drag and drop this field over here. And as you can see, the results just show me Rodrigo with lowercase, right? And how we can do in uppercase, we just have to put it upper. This is then the other function that changed the string fields for uppercase instead lower. As you can see now, I have everything in uppercase. Okay, and finally, guys, the third one, the new feature from 2023 called proper. If you use proper in your formulas, you will see that Tableau just put it like title case. Okay, the first case in upper and the others all in lower. So structure it like that. Okay, if you like it, just use this proper. So there are three variations, so lowercase, uppercase, and finally proper case. All right, guys, You see, it's really interesting and really easy to use. 3 variations. You can now standardize all of your string fields on Tableau. If you like this video, this content, please consider to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Also give us your thumbs up, okay? And share this content because we needed to increase our Tableau community here on YouTube. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.